After 6 years and daily use, my old fēnix 6 barely holds a battery charge for more than a day now. Watch doesn't get any updates anymore, so it was about time to get a new one. And I ordered myself a shiny new fēnix 8. And let's have a look inside the box. Here comes the shiny night paper box. It's fēnix 8 51mm in black and gray. I need to cut this seal open. No, actually I don't need to cut it. I can just rip it off here. Nice. Ah, shiny. So the old one was a 47mm, but I always found it's a bit small, so I ordered a 51mm now. Let's get this out of the way here. I may or may not have to replace the wristband. I got a new one from the old watch. There's nothing inside. I need to charge it first. There's a screen protector on it. Oh, yeah. Looks like it's on, it's not. It's just powered off. What else is in here? Paperwork, of course. I don't need this. I will hook it up to my Garmin Connect app on my mobile phone. And maybe a new charger. It's the same connector as the old one is using, so it will work here as well. I have two actually, one in my travel bag and one on my desk, but the new one is supposed to last way longer than the old one now, so maybe I charge it once or twice a month. Oh, I just spotted there's one more protector on the LEDs here. How do I get this one off? I don't know. I try to figure it out later. Anyway, the new 51 looks shiny, bit bigger than the old one, 47mm. Looking forward to use this one now.